welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, who's been totally MIA. Hi guys, how's it going? Hi everybody, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, I've been MIA, completely missing in action. I don't know. I can't get it together. I can't get it together. I read the news, I get upset, I watch TV, I get upset, then I get angry, I don't want to decorate. I mean, all things that I love, stealing my joy. It's stealing my joy. I'm trying desperately to stop watching the news, but it's really hard. It's really, really hard. Anyways, so this video is recorded on Wednesday because I gave myself a big pep talk and I said, Bella, you got to get back to it. You got to get back to your happy self and fun and creativity and, like expressing my creativity and enjoying it with you guys. So the first thing I do in the morning is drink coffee bar. So let's decorate this coffee bar. Maybe it's gonna motivate me and you to do something really, really, really cute. I'm adding a little bit of summer touch into mine, some like everyday decor, but I wanna make it as cute as possible, okay? So as cute as possible, so that when we wake up in the morning, it puts a smile on our face, especially me, and then start off our day as best as we can. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it first, and I use Miss Meyer's. I love this stuff. No, I am not sponsored. No, I don't have a Grove collaborative link. None of that stuff. This is one of my favorite smells. It's peony. I love this. Love, 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 love this. Okay, I'm gonna put some music on. Let's get to cleaning, and I'm gonna start bringing some stuff in. Maybe I'll keep it to music, maybe I'll voice over, but we'll see. I'm gonna try and make this video as fun and interactive as possible. Okay guys, you know me, and I never make videos like this, but I figured, you know what? I'm gonna try my hand at this. So obviously I'm cleaning. And, it's really important when you start decor in any space, to have a really good, clean space, because it just makes your objects look so much nicer. And especially for a coffee bar that gets used all the time, I clean this place all the time. So I kind of had an idea of what I wanted to do on my two-tiered tray. And if you're wondering where the two-tiered tray is from and you're new here, it is from my personal online business, and the link is linked down in the description box. So if you're new here and you don't know that, I have my own online business. Okay, I'm just adding some cute little summer stuff that I have, but I am going to redo my coffee bar for summer. This is just kind of to transition it. I love this stuff. I love that creamer, the little cow. It's from Walmart, and it's the Pioneer Woman. And that little pot with the flowers, I found that at my local dollar store. It's a really good buy, actually. Okay, let's get to the other side. This is more function than anything. I'm using this white chippy tray. I love a little bit of farmhouse in my decor. I don't go overboard with farmhouse, but I do like it. And I love my Ray Dunn stuff, but again, I'm not a big, huge collector of Ray Dunn. So I have a lot of coffee cups and some coffee stuff, but I don't have a giant collection. And this thing here, I just picked up at my local dollar store. It was only $4, and guys, it's really substantial, and it's very beautiful. I put this little Dollar Tree candle in for right now because that's all I had on hand. So I thought I would use that, and I think it looked really cute together, but it's missing something. So I like to add greenery. I have this little green olive tree. It's from Michael's. It's from last year. Just put it behind there, and now I'm gonna light the candle just for some ambiance. I think it turned out really cute. Okay, now I have these cup hooks. that I recently put up because honestly my cup collection is getting a little overboard. Like I said, I don't have a lot of Rae done, but it seems that they take up a huge amount of space in the cabinets. So I wanted to add 3 here. But I want to conceal the plug, and I'm just using another one of those little olive trees. And sorry for having my back to you guys, but I was struggling getting that little wood bead thing around the olive tree. My little rise and shine y'all sign. And guys, I just picked up this candle from the Dollar Tree. It's in a tiny little mason jar, and the scent is energy. It smells so good. Okay, I think we're done. Oh no, I missed the clip on how I showed how I did this. I made this tiny little banner. Okay guys, I finally finished decorating it. I'm gonna take you off the tripod and give you a closer look, and then I'll be almost done my video. End of the video. My favorite is that little banner. It just makes me so happy in the morning. I think it is so cute. I can't wait. I think I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee. And maybe, yeah, I think I'm gonna plan a live for tonight, because I am filming this on Wednesday and I haven't seen my YouTube friends in so long. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump on live on Wednesday night. So hopefully you caught the live Wednesday night. If not, I'll do another one shortly, I'm sure. That's my 2-tier tray from my online store. If you don't know, I have my own online store, which I'm coming out with some of the cutest things. Oh, you just wait. They're in the works. I love how these cupcakes turned out. I have to say, I love this. I really wanted something to kind of display, and I think this is a good message. I'm a happy, blessed dreamer. That is so me. So if you do something in your house, use your Rae Dunn mugs to maybe give yourself some motivational idea, like something to look at and think of. So I have like a quote for the morning. I am a happy, blessed dreamer. That is me. I mean, I think I am anyways. Yes, I am. I got a little bit of summer touch that'll, tie in. Maybe I'll put more lemons. I love how the olive trees turned out. They're just the perfect amount of greenery. I don't know if I love this one. I might change this one to something shorter so I can conceal the plug a little bit better. But for now, I'm going to leave it. I like utilizing the stuff. The candle from the Dollar Tree, guys, honestly smells amazing. I'm not kidding. It smells really good. And that thing, the hurricane candle thing, oh my God, fantastic buy. I think I'm going to go get another one because it was only $4. So that is it for my video. Having a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. I will try and see you on Friday. I'm not making any promises. I might see you on Monday, or I might see you on Saturday. I don't know. Keep your bell notification on and you'll see me very, very soon. I love you guys. Have an amazing day and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah. Bye, guys.